everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Anvo pillow. This is made of memory foam, so it's really soft and really breathable. It is made for neck and shoulder support while you sleep, so it is contoured like this. It conforms to the natural curve of your body, and then it helps support your spine so you don't wake up with neck and shoulder pain. My husband and I both deal with neck and shoulder pain just from sleeping, and this has been such a huge help. It has two different heights, so this side's a little bit higher and this side's a little bit lower. So if you want more support on your neck or less, you can choose. This cover itself is machine washable. It has this little zipper here, really, really breathable, and I love that you can just throw it in the washing machine when you need to. This, like I said, has helped so much with our shoulder and neck pain. I just think that it is an awesome thing to have if you're somebody who deals with that. Even if you don't have neck and shoulder pain, as you get older, it's really important to have the support while you sleep. Otherwise, you could have issues long term. So I just think this is great. We've absolutely loved it. We've tried a lot of different memory foam pillows, a lot of different shaped ones. This one has by far been our favorite. It holds up really well even after a long time of use. It doesn't get like dented in. It has a 3 to 5 second rebound, so it's not gonna go flat and have like one big flat part that doesn't puff back up. So if you were looking for a new pillow, maybe you just want some neck and shoulder support or help with the pain during the night, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.